Hey, it's Lexi here. Today what we're going to be playing is... Hang on a second, let me get the music down so I can hear myself and stuff. What we'll be playing today is Sonic Dash 2 Sonic Boom. Now, Sonic Boom is my favorite game show, and so is watching all this stuff. So, I've played this forever. This is like one of my favorite games to play. And, I love playing this game. Oh, it was all rings collected. This is Leaf and this is Spirit. If you don't know what a Spirit is, guys, in the game, I leveled up too. That is Sticks the Badger. I did not have the coins, but I'm saving for this guy, Knuckles. I got Amy and Sonic. I'm gonna upgrade Sonic. Amy, you can upgrade too. Okay. So, in this game, there's Sonic, Tails, Nucky, Amy, Sticks, and Shadow. No, Shadow was only in one Sonic Boom episode, because I'm a huge Sonic geek. So, without further ado, let's start to the game. Okay. Oh, I pushed our button. Okay. Play. Game's very simple. All you gotta do is go side to side like this. Hang on. Revive once. Side to side like this. And go down and destroy. But it's a fun game, guys. Totally recommend it. It's a favorite game of mine to play, but I figured I'd stop playing it and then I'd record myself playing it, because I have not been on my YouTube channel a lot, but I haven't had a tablet or nothing. But I went to a friend's house and I got a tablet, so yeah, it's just great to hear that I can do more videos and stuff, and yeah. That's really good though that I can do this stuff still, because I was afraid I couldn't post stuff on my channel anymore. And here's how I get my revive. There. So this is a motion controller. You get to motion control it. Dash ready. I'll show you guys what dash is. Sonic going fast. This means I can switch my characters. I'll show you guys what Amy's is. She goes side to side hitting things with her hammer. Fucking badass. Oh, I died. No thanks. I can log into Facebook on this game too. I did not know that. Okay. I want to beat Sonic one of these days. And Shadow, you're just a punk and a cheater. I got rings. Experience. That's all good. Okay, guys. If you guys want more of this type of gameplay, leave a like and a comment below and tell me what to play next. Should I have a face cam in the next video? And what other apps do you guys think that I should play and record my reaction to? Without further ado, bye!